A warm good afternoon class. In the last class we have seen about the conversion from meter per in the previously we have seen the time speed and distance conversions. What is speed, time, or distance, how it is measured, and where it is used, and these questions are most probably where it is asked, right? So in this video we will see the other topics which related to time, speed, and distance. The first topic is average speed. If it is taken as average speed, you can say, average speed is nothing but we can say it as a total distance covered by total time taken. Means, if I'm the first thing is if the distance is constant. So I'm saying, I'm starting from home to college. It takes about 6 kilometers. So here the distance is same. Means that for it is 6 kilometers. Okay, for the first 3 kilometers I am taking a speed about 10 kilometers per hour. For the second, third, so from starting from home to cover the half of the distance, I am taking the speed as 10 kilometers per hour. And for the next remaining distance, I am taking 5 kilometers per hour. If the distance is constant, we can take the average speed as 2xy by x plus y, where the x and y are two speeds but the same distance has to be covered. Okay, in the case 2 it is time taken is constant. Means that if I am taking two speeds, okay, two speeds but I am traveling at the same time, means that if we take the same thing, okay, here the time is constant. Means for the first 3 kilometers, for the previous example, for the first 3 kilometers I am taking 10 minutes. For the next remaining kilometers, I am taking 10 minutes. But here if I take same time, but if I take the time as constant, here the average speeds formula will get differ. Here the average speed is x plus y is equal to x plus y divided by 2 for the average speed. For the first one distance is constant, for the second one time is constant. Okay, so we'll see practical problems so that we can understand much deeper. So here the first example is that a man travels at 61 kilometers in 9 hours. He travels partially on foot for 4 kilometers and partially on bicycle at 9 kilometers per hour. So what is the distance traveled on foot? So here you can see, okay, I am seeing this. So first if it for traveling through foot, we will take it as x kilometers, x hours, right? Okay, now okay, x hours. Now when he takes about bicycle, we can say take it as 9 minus x. So here if we take for example, if we take totally, it takes 9 hours to travel, okay, as it is mentioned in the exam inside the problem. So first for travel by walking he takes x hours. So the remaining part which is taken away by x from 9 is the time which is taken to travel through bicycle. So here it is distance equal to speed by time, where this formula is taken from s is equal to d by t, which is the basic formula, right? So in this you can see here this is 4x plus 9 into 9 minus x. Here the speed is 4x plus 9 and the time is 9 minus x is equal to 61. Means here you can say the distance is 61 kilometer. Okay, the time taken is 9 minus x. Okay, here you can see this 4x plus 9 comes into the picture, where so the 4 kilometer per hour is taken, okay, is taken through the foot. So here it is this 4 kilometer speed. Okay, here this x is the distance traveled by foot in hours. Okay, so the plus 9 hours which is here. So again if we solve like this, it takes 61 is equal to 61. So the answer is 20. So here the answer what we use is so here the x is equal to 4. Here the answer is 20, x is equal to 4. When we add this x is equal to 4, so then we can so that we will get 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 4. So this x is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay, so x is equal to 4 is the answer for the distance